Experience trends, be inspired, and make a difference yourself. In the program area, that's precisely what Koelnmesse's digital event platform offers on a variety of virtual stages and in digital rooms. The Event and Congress program invites you to digitally exchange information on the industry's current trends. Exhibitors have the chance to take part in the Event and Congress program as a source of inspiration and to present themselves professionally to the expert public on the product stage. What you can expect here? Broadcasting by Koelnmesse. Unlimited number of participants. Different session formats and lengths. Integration of external speakers. In addition, industry topics will be presented live or via stream on curated stages. On the product stages, products and services can be streamed live or pre-recorded and shown on demand after the event. Tools such as chat and surveys are also available, with which speakers and audience can interact at any time.